There are people making over $10,000 a month from faceless channels like this. There is no new AI technology that will automatically write, create, and post faceless YouTube videos like this, and it will post them daily for you without you having to do any of the work aside from setting it up. To get started, go to faceless.video and then click Start for Free. Then click New Series. For story type, I'm going to choose Custom Prompt. I'm going to enter this prompt to create motivational videos in the style of Steve Jobs and make it about stop procrastination and start achieving your dreams. You can click Test, and this is the test output. From here, save prompt. Choose the background you want, this one here. Next, select your font. Let's go with Yellow Montserrat. Then choose the voice that you'd like to use. Look at the sample output and then click Create Series. Link your social accounts, and Faceless.video will publish a video for you every single day.
Hack for $30K a month.
This Faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000 a month with AI. They're simply posting short form love fact videos like this one. Craziest part about it is you can literally use AI to create these videos for you. First, go to ChatGPT and tell it to make you a list of 100 love quotes. Tell it to have each quote have 2 separate parts, and make sure the first one is interesting enough to have viewers interested to see what the second part of the quote is. Then tell ChatGPT to categorize each quote in Excel style, making a theme, first part and second part column for each quote. And you can even tell ChatGPT to rewrite the list and any theme you want. Then you just copy and paste the list into an Excel spreadsheet. Then go on Canva and search mobile video. Find a template like this one and click Customize. Then search quotes in the design category. Then in the apps category, search both create and then select enter data manually. Then paste all of the poems that ChatGPT generated for you. Then on each section of the video, you need to click the connect data button, and you need to select each data field for each part of the quote. After you have them synced, you need to click generate. Now you'll generate a bunch of different quotes with the same background. And to change the background for each one, again, search quotes, select a template, and then add as new. And just like that, AI is instantly generating you infinite videos for your YouTube channel.
Follow for more side hustle ideas.
TikTok automation tool is gate-kept for an important reason. If it's in the right hands, it can be a total goldmine. With just a couple of mouse clicks, you can automatically create would-you-rather videos, quiz videos, Reddit stories, text stories, and more. It's no coincidence that you see those videos all over your For You page. These pages manage to milk the creativity program by tapping into the so-called fried brain niche that brings in millions of views by creating this type of videos. It's a myth that AI can't edit videos. This tool is dominating the market right now and can be accessed by going to vsube.io, where you will see a button labeled Get Started. Afterwards, you will see different niches. Click on one of them and you will be surprised at how easy it is. You can try it out yourself at vsube.io.
New AI app generates AI human videos and sends 132,000 views to it for free, making us $753 daily and passively. Click the link to